Another day, another bird watching video. So guys, I'm pretty excited for this one because we're gonna be doing some more different stuff, guys. Because yeah, pretty excited about that, guys. And as you guys can hear, there's a bunch of cute birdies outside, geese. It's only 59 right now. Before, when I was doing my video, it was 58 goose. Because now it's 59. It's pretty nice goose. It's more nicer than before goose, as you guys can tell. And the goose, when I just came home from stupid on school, it was 61. It was 61. It was 61 goose, because yeah. It's not that bad, as you guys could tell. However, you guys could tell. But goose, goose. It's wondering if you guys could tell again. Okay. It's goose. I'm gonna try to call him a crow. It's goose. It sounds exactly like a crow, as you guys can hear. Well, anyways, goose. Goose. Good goose. Goose flowers are starting to bloom, goose. Look at that goose. The goose gets out of forward, it's still there, goose. Goose, yeah, I don't know why goose, goose. Let's go, goose. We're gonna be doing a video about why you guys should be feeding your birds all the time. It's because now it's really cold outside. Some birds don't really want to be in the coldness because they barely find any food, stuff like that. Then goes, as you can see, the bird on the trees are like a little shelter for birds, goose. So guys, we have a nest up here. I can't really tell what kind of bird it is, goose, because it is a small nest for sure. Up there, goose. As you guys know, we had a nest last year. And goose, it was also when it was nice out. Just like it is right now, goose. I think it was actually during the summer. Because I remember having a nest up. That was my imagination. Because I hear a doggy goose. Sounds so cute, right, goose? Goose, anyways, there was some snow over here. I don't know why, goose. Look at this. A little bit of snow right there. So why the heck do we still have snow? Because I don't understand, because yeah, it's really nice outside. I don't even think we should be having snow still. We got a lot of snow this year, more than ever. Hey, goose. It's the first time in a long time, since we had a lot of snow like this. So, yeah. So, goose. We're going to be talking about some other tips, goose, about birds. Some other birds that you could attract to goose. So as you guys know, I've done other previous videos like this a long time ago, kind of over in the summer or other times when it's nice, like the spring or something like that too. Goose, just like the summer, and goose. I was talking about how to attract some other birds, and goose, yeah, it was actually went out pretty good. So goose, and now I'm gonna be telling you how to attract one of the wrens, one of the birds in the wrens family, goose. As you guys know, the wren family is a really cool kind of bird family, goose. That I think a lot of people do like with their goose. I thought that was coming from the nest. I don't even know if any birds have hatched in this nest yet, goose. I don't even know if any just left or something like that. Because so goose, the kind of wren that I'm gonna be telling you goose how to attract is the winter wren, which is a bird. Since it's still winter right now, I'm still gonna be telling you guys how to attract some birds that are um, that of winter goose and when it's cold. They look at a plain goose and they look at a little birdie goose never saw it because anyways, if you guys don't know what the winter wren is, it is a wren that is really rare in Pennsylvania goose. Even though it is in some parts of Pennsylvania, it could still be in this part of Pennsylvania too, goose. Because yeah, it's good to know. Look at that person. Oh, good, that scared me. Oh, goose, look at this starlings, goose. You see all the starlings? Because usually they do that right now. A lot of starlings usually make people feel like they're migrating when they're not. They're just going in different groups, goose, and good stuff like that. They're having fun, goose, and I don't blame them. They're not even home. There's one car's there because anyways, goose. I saw them leaving. I think they're going on a field trip or something, goose. On their big truck, goose. That has a lot of seats and it, goose. But goose, so goose now. So goose, there's some common grackles there, goose. Do you hear that, goose? That's the sound that they make. So goose, no, they're not that extinct that much this winter, goose, as they was in summer and kind of spring, goose, not really. So goose, no, I remember when I told you in the video I did today that goose, they were going extinct, kind of. Still couldn't find any information yet, goose. Well, I was not doing a video because I wish I did, goose, so I could tell you the truth why they were going extinct a little bit. I mean, not all of them, goose. So goose, I think, if a goose, no, but one of the pigeons that live in Pennsylvania, that there's only 2 left, goose. I don't even know if there's any more now because you see that. That's cool, because now that there's these birds called they're part of the pigeon family. They're really rare, goose. I don't even know if they're 2 ones that's still alive right now. But goose, in Minnesota, you think. Because they're called like I forget what they're called because they were like more before because no one knows how they went extinct. Because scientists probably know. And scientists probably know about the... Okay, goose. I keep hearing like they got a doggy. Cute, right, goose? That doggy's so cute. Because we're gonna see those birds up there. They're so cute, goose. Look how cute that puppy is. Goose, yeah, it's good to see it. I'll be able to take taking walks now. I don't know why the guys are wearing a hoodie. No offense, because yeah, it's really nice out today, so I don't think we have a reason to do that. Because people want to, it's fine. So I got a doggy, goose. Cute goose. More doggies, more niceness. That's so good. Because yeah, dogs don't really look when it's that cold. Some other species do, but it's not all of them. Like huskies, I would say. Or wolves, or wolf dogs, goose, or coyote dogs. Stuff like that. That's a podcast. Because Baby Whistle might fly soon. He's really excited into spring. Because Baby Whistle, American Whistle, is so excited for spring. He wants to fly. Even though he does fly since he's only a baby whistle, he's really cute and adorable. As you guys don't know, my videos that I post about Baby Whistle, they're memes, goose. They're cute doggy. See how many people are walking to get the doggies outside? That was such a cute doggy, by the way, because as a matter of fact, because anyways goes, the flowers are blooming. I'm so excited, goes. It's good. Anyways, I'm gonna teach you how to track the winter wren. I don't know how I got off track of this because this is how to do it. So goes, it's good now. Wrens will nest anywhere, goose. Like barely any other birds. They will nest anywhere. Definitely roofs, goose, and maybe on the ground. It's because if they mean anywhere, if that makes sense. Because yeah, they will nest anywhere. They will live anywhere. They will do whatever they want anywhere. So it will be like that forever. even when it's different seasons or different years or different months or something like that, or a different day or something like a goose, or a different holiday or something like that. Because I know it's all talking or it's like the same language. What is it? A couple. I don't know, but goose. Because this is how to do it. So goose, remember when I told you, they can nest anywhere. You can do whatever they want anywhere. Goose, like most birds kind of. So goose, put feed in random places because they nest in random places. Because if they nest in random places, they find food in random places. So yeah. Hi. So yeah, this is wrong. Because I was yeah. Because I don't know if you saw that baby carrier and in the back of a trailer of a bicycle. Goose. It's a pretty good idea. I put the little baby in there. It's pretty cool. Goose. Yeah. And it was good. Goose. Because, as you guys know, birds love arachnids, bugs, and they love seeds. And goose, they love. They also like nuts. These nuts. They also like peanuts. Goose, they love walnuts. Goose, and they love other stuff like that. And goose, they also love acorns. Goose, and other stuff like that. Or anything else. Peanut butter. Goose, anyways, that's about goose.